Hello, Richard, back again with another frequently asked question from Fantasia ceiling fans. This one relates to electrical outlet boxes. People often ask, do I need a specific electrical outlet box to fit a ceiling fan to? I think this question stems largely from the States and places like that where they have specific electrical outlet boxes. In the UK, we don't, so the cables generally come straight out of the ceiling. But you do need to make sure you're fixing into a ceiling joist. That's the most important thing. But no specific electrical outlet box is required.